I had all this 20 gauge scrap metal laying around. It's all kind of a nasty galvanized sheet, and I had a lot of drops of that left, and so I thought I'd make something out of that that would be useful for my, little shop and staying organized. So I cut out 24 of these and bent them all up. I'm going to speed this up real quick so you don't have to watch the entire thing. I cut out 24 of those and formed all of those. There are four bends in each one of them. They formed up really well for the most part. Then I had some 1/8 inch parts I needed to cut out as well. This sheet right here is the reason you need to be really careful when you're nesting. It did not go as planned. I wasn't paying close enough attention. I got too close to the edge of the sheet, and it just caused issue after issue after issue. Um, and I ended up getting through it and just cleaning the parts up a little bit with a grinder, but I had to recut a few on another sheet. Go ahead and form those as well. Really what I wanted to do here is just kind of give my plasma table and press brake um, some work. I haven't done a whole lot on the press brake, and I needed some more practice, so I thought, why not work on, this project here? It'd be something useful for the shop, and at the same time give me a lot of um, experience, I guess, on the press brake and getting things figured out there, and trying to work through some different situations on that. So, um, if I did this again, I would not bolt it together. I plan on bolting it all together so that I could take it back apart and have them powder coated in different colors. My plan was to do like a bronze color on the runners, and the rest of the framework that's welded together, I would do a flat black. That turned out to be a big mistake. I have 144 fasteners on this, and it took forever to put together. Each one of those racks, there's four of them in total, took probably an hour and a half to assemble, which is just way too long when I could have welded it all and it would have been a lot easier, a lot less of a headache. With that being said, I did use all stainless button head fasteners, and it does look nice. Gives it a nice look to it. But again, it took a lot longer than needed. Um, I did have an issue with welding this. That's why you saw it go from 2 racks to 4. I had to take it back out and plasma cut out or plasma gouge some of the welds out so that I could reposition it. I had made a mistake with it and um, needed to take care of that. It was a mess, but I had worked on this project for too long, so I just ground it back down and just got back to work with it. And it doesn't look the greatest. There's some things I would change on it, but all in all, I'm happy with it. All it's for is just to hold all my press brake tooling and keep it organized and off the floor. I had it just laying on the floor on a piece of cardboard, and it's in the way constantly. And so I wanted to make a rack that I could organize all of them. And this is what I came up with. It's nothing special, it's pretty small, but um, I also thought it would be big enough to hold all of my tooling, and I was wrong. I did not have enough slots for all of my uppers, and it's all right. I still have room to lay them on there. There's all my tooling right there. It just some of it's off to the side and things like that. But yeah, all in all, I think it'll be um, really helpful to have in keeping all my stuff organized. Hope you enjoyed it.